Welcome to our YouTube channel, ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. I just wanted to give you some overview on this video. Here are the playlists that we are keep on uploading. This is our channel. You can subscribe our channel for all the topics. Okay, and you can go ahead and watch the video. Thank you. So before we get started, am I audible properly? And is my screen visible for everyone? Can someone confirm? Yes, no.
Yep.
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. What we understand yesterday, little bit knowledge we get something about the process and what is our job. Can someone recap it? If you can. What is ServiceNow? By the way, why it can be used in the IT organizations? Or can you brief about the last session, what we discussed? This part, right? What we had discussed. This is the one.
Helping the customer with their needs when they had any issue with the things like in the company, if they had any issue with the software or something like that, they'll call the help desk, and the help desk people will raise it instant ticket, which will be assigned to the corresponding team, corresponding groups, and someone will be working on the ticket and resolve it. Getting in touch with the customer, getting in touch with the caller. They will
Good. Last year.
resolve the instant.
It's okay. Fine. As per our discussion in the last session, so how many people would be able to access this particular URL or ServiceNow instance? I'm calling a ServiceNow instance. How many people would be able to access it in the production from the Infosys? Who are able to
All the
access this
front end,
particular system? Who are able to do it?
all the Infosys employers who is having access to ServiceNow.
Very good. Infosys. Okay, as per our understanding, because I did not tell this guy just called to these people and then this guy, okay, who is this guy, this fellow? What is our example now? This guy will call to some help desk people, correct? So as per your understanding, help desk people is able to access the system, correct? This system,
Yeah.
for example. Okay, first point.
ServiceNow.
So help desk people would be able to access the system, right? And next point, who else? Who are able to access the system?
The caller.
The caller, okay, last point will take up the caller. As per our understanding, this guy just
ServiceNow
called to
team.
the people. Yes, ServiceNow support team. Support team
Yeah,
means,
ServiceNow
so had we
admin
had seen
team.
yesterday, there are multiple teams, correct? The teams are divided into partitions depends on their support. It kind of hardware or software related or some database related issues, something like that. They have divided into that. So everyone are able to access to that particular system. Okay, those people are support team, correct? IT team.
Yep.
I would say supporting. Okay, what does this guys can help in fee resources to resolve the issues whatever they are facing, correct?
Yep.
Okay, these guys. And next, who else? Who else able to access the system in the production? So yesterday I told some SDLC process in high level. There, sir, After developing it and after deploying it to this particular service now into the production, okay, and later the people whoever are developed, the team is still required or not.
It's still
This
required
is
for
a good thing.
supporting.
Yes. So why supporting is needed?
Because if they face any issues with the service now, this one, we need to troubleshoot them.
Okay. That is the first point. And next point, I will tell you, okay,
If they want any
when
customization like that, again, we need to do that.
custom
That comes from
that will
development,
come
right?
from here again. Okay,
Yeah.
that's not the proper way that you answered.
Mhm.
Okay, see, when support is needed, if they are having any issues, probably these guys will be supporting, okay, in terms of the application level, not from the customer support level. From the application support will be there from our ServiceNow team. Few people will be there where they are supporting it to Infosys on the production.
Mhm.
And when we say users, okay, when we say when I am going to the incident, when I'm going to the incident, let's assume this is the production. Let's assume this is the production. When I say caller, who is caller? Caller is the guy where this guy is having an issue, some issue, correct? When I
Yeah.
click on it, I should be able to see the list of people who are belongs to Infosys, correct? Do you agree?
Yes.
So when we say 50K inside the Infosys, 50K people I should be able to see here. Is that correct? In the production.
Yeah.
Then only I can be able to select it. If the guys are not available there on the production, I wouldn't be able to select it. So this is some option where I can be able to select. To select it, there should be some existing records where it is having name, first name, last name, and his email ID. Okay, if you are looking at some URL, it is routing to one URL, one path that is user path, sys underscore user path. So in sys underscore user path, all the users will be there. Okay, for now, just assume, just look at this after .com, there is a sys underscore user. That is the path. Inside the path, you will be seeing these many users. These many users are there. But
Mhm.
to see all the users, who will be creating it? I
ServiceNow admin
wanted to
team.
be, yes. So to see all the users, our team is required. Our team, ServiceNow admin people are required to support in the production. That is one more thing. Okay. So now ServiceNow support our admin team, correct? Where they are able to access it in the production. And at the last point, okay, the Infosys resource people would be also able to access to the system. If he is unable to access to the system, probably he will be calling to the help desk people. Fine. These four guys are able to access to the system in the production. Now, if I ask you, these four people are able to access this particular system as per our understanding, but four people should be having the same privileges to the system. First point. Okay. When we say four people are able to access the system, when I say access to the system, the entire stuff should be able to see it by everyone, or there is access privileges.
I think there is an access privileges as per their
In every
role.
system, in every software, there is access privileges. Even if you go to the bank, if you ask someone, manager will be able to access the system and he will be able to see all the accounts, correct? he will be having that much access. If you go to some bank and ask, and as a user, if you log into the same site, okay, and he will be seeing not all the options, only related to respective access, respective options he will be able to see. The same site, manager is logged into the system, he will be having n number of privileges where he can be able to see the view itself will be different. For the user, it will be different. Correct? Is that correct or not? Even though, for example, in simple way, okay, what I can tell for this. Okay, someone is talking. You can go on the mute. Okay, let's take what example I can take it. Okay, okay, ma. There is a car. Okay, the car is there. There are 4 seats. So the 4 seat, the driver seat is this, and front desk, some passenger is sitting. Okay, and there are in the back there are other passengers. There are 3 passengers along with the driver. Okay, and here there is a accessory system, and inside the driver he will be able to see the what you call
Steering.
everything he is able to see, steering and all. Okay, so only inside the car, this is entire system is car. Inside the car, what privileges or what accesses he had, the driver had. He can be able to drive, he can be able to change the gear, he can be able to start the car, he can do anything, correct? Whatever the access he had, he can be able to do it. And this guy should be able to open his window sometimes if this guy is giving the access, correct? If driver is giving the access to the mirror, this guy should be able to play with the mirror. For example, he can make it up and down, and he can be able to play the music. And how about these people who are sitting at the back end?
They just can enjoy. That's it.
They just can see it, or they are unable to do anything. First point. And next point, you just had not privileges what this guy had, and P1 will not be having, passenger will not be having the accesses which I had, which driver had. Correct? This is the system. Inside the system, these many. In the similar way, in our ServiceNow instance, okay, the instance, whatever you are seeing it, inside the system, the people, admin people would be there, and then support team will be there, and then resources will be there. When you see the interface, everything looks different. You will not be having all the access inside the ServiceNow. Okay. ServiceNow works with role based, I would say. Role based. Everything will be role based. If I go inside here, okay. If I go inside, I will see multiple applications inside this. Okay. Multiple applications. And if I go to the incident, okay, this is the incident. This page, whatever you see, this page is similar to 2 people. What are those? We will see it practically. And next point, if I go to all, these are all the number of incidents. Okay, number of incidents can be seen by few people. And next point, if I open one of the incident, not all the options will be available for all the people, all the roles, I would say. From now, I am using the word called role. Okay. When you see in general way, in every entity, there will be the roles. Okay. And in our ServiceNow as well, from the records perspective, not all the options will be seen by all the people. When we say all the people, these are all the people. Okay. It works over the role based. Okay. Maybe this is the instance. This is the instance. I am calling it as the PDI. Okay. I am calling it as the PDI. For the practice purpose, ServiceNow has given you the PDI. How this creates, how we can create it and all, I will tell you in next 5 minutes. Okay. Personal developer instance. Personal developer instance. It is there in the name itself, where we can be able to improve our stuff, where we can able to practice it. For the practice purpose, ServiceNow given us this platform by defaultly. For by defaultly, when I am logging into the system, I would see it is logged in with some admin role, because I will be seeing all the options, whatever ServiceNow has given me by default. I am the owner of this particular system. I can do anything. But other guys wouldn't be able to do as much I am able to do it, because I am the owner. I am the owner. ServiceNow support team and admin team is the owner, where he can do anything. He can be able to see the records, he can be able to delete it, and all the admin privileges access he will be having. And whereas if you go to these particular users, they don't be able to see all the stuff, whatever this guy are seeing. Okay. Next, simply I will do one thing. You just bear it for 2 minutes. Okay. Uh, okay. Let's do one thing. Let's take one scenario and then we can implement it. Okay. I am on the production. I am the ServiceNow team. Okay. At the ServiceNow team. Okay. We are being 3 people or 2 people. Okay. Who are supporting into the prod. Okay. And as per our understanding, who can give us the requirements? Who will be giving the requirements? No?
Business BA
BA.
or the head
These guys,
or
correct?
the head of the team.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, as per our understanding yesterday, in every location, there is a team, correct? In Hyderabad, there is a team. Local desk IT people will be there. And Bangalore,
Hmm.
in everywhere, the people will be there. When we say people or the team, they will be having the separate team. Okay, in Hyderabad local desk, for example, there are software team. Okay, and they wanted to be built out to work with or to resolve the software related issues, and hardware related as there, right? So the team, every team, there would be the manager. For every team, there is a manager where he's handling the team. For every manager, there is a head, help desk related head will be there. They will give us the requirement sometimes, and sometimes these guys will be giving. Okay, what requirement these guys will be able to give? There is a team, software team, there is a manager. Okay, for this team, in the production, the people are joined. They recruited the people. For example, 3 people are recruited. He has recruited 3 people. When we say recruited, the 3 people should be able to access to the system or not to serve
Yeah.
it to Infosys resources. When we say 3 people, 3 people should be able to access to the system.
Uh,
Then
Yes.
this guy will be requesting our team, ServiceNow support team. Okay, this guy will be asking to ServiceNow support team to create 3 users and give them some role where they can be able to access the incident application. This application. First point, that is the first requirement. Okay, understand the requirement more? It is a requirement 1. Okay, requesting ServiceNow admin team to create, okay, users and give them, okay, okay, Let's keep it in simple. Requesting ServiceNow team to create users and give them some role to access incident application for software group. He is from software group where they wanted to be access the incident application. This requirement comes from this manager. And immediately, okay, along with this, the people may give you their name and their email ID and their phone number, for example. Based upon this stuff, as a ServiceNow support team will come here and create the users. How they create the users? This is the first method of creating the users that we are seeing as a beginner. Okay, first method of creating the users. Simply they will go somewhere inside the Navi search bar. This is the filterization, remember. They will go there and search with users. The moment you will be searching out, you will be seeing multiple options as like this. There are multiple options are there. So here users are there, here users are there, here users are there. Okay. So everywhere multiple times the users are there. If I close this hierarchy, you will be seeing one. See here, there. Okay. There are multiple occurrences the users are there, but which user he will take it? Under user
User
administration,
admin.
user are there, he will pick up this and he will click on it. The moment he will click on it, the ServiceNow instance will be routing to one path, that is user path. Okay. Even here, okay, you just had watched it, right? Even though when I'm going to the incident, okay, creating the incident, the moment I click on caller, which URL it was routing to, is this the same? See, wait, where it is? Okay, I'm unable to take it. Okay, see here, what is the URL? Sys underscore user underscore list dot do. The moment you are trying to be selected, okay, this particular frame or the lookup or some magnifying glass is routing to some path. This is the path. Okay, this is the path. The users whichever created are stored here. The topic it will come soon, what it is and all. Okay, and here leave it. I'm closing this. Okay, I am on the. I clicked on users. Then users page is opened and I see some new option. Click on new. Okay, and user ID is creating the user ID. You can name it as anything. What name it is? In our example, let's take from someone, Tushar. Okay, Tushar Raut. Okay, and his email ID is tushar at the rate infi.com, infosys.com, for example. And his phone number is this. The moment I got the details, I will go there and this will be his ID. And next, this is his first name. And this is his last name. Okay. Department and on all, I'm not touching anything. Okay. And next, password reset. Make sure, check this. Why? What is this option? In general way, you will be seeing it in an application. Password reset needs, okay, that I will tell you. Just check this box. And next, email ID. What is email ID? This is his email ID. I'm creating the user mode, the details which I got it. Okay. Phone number, mobile number is this. Okay, that's it. As a ServiceNow admin, I'm creating the user. I had given user ID, first name, last name, and just to save it. Don't submit it. Save it. And bottom, do you see anything here? Only related links you will be seeing it. The moment I had saved it, you will be seeing the other options also. Okay. The user is created, correct? The user is created now. How are you telling?
Yeah.
I will go to users again.
Users.
I will check it. Okay. I'm using some shortcut. Not again now. Users. This part. I'm going to the users. Now, is that created?
Yeah.
See, the user is created, correct? And now come here. But how this guy is able to, I had created the users for him. But how Tushar is able to access this particular system? To access the particular system, for any system, he needs username and a password, correct? Is that correct or not?
Yeah.
Okay, how I
Yeah.
can give? Okay, as a ServiceNow admin, what I will do, we'll be seeing some, okay, reset. Click on reset password. Okay, not reset. Very good. Right now. Set password. Okay, you'll be seeing some option called set password. Click on this. Generate it. Copy it and save it. Okay, the password is this. This is the password. And what is the username? The username is this. The user ID, whatever you had given. This is the user ID. Now, as a ServiceNow admin, you had created the user and the password for Tushar, and the next moment you will be dropping an email to this manager along with, or sometimes they may copy the user also, or directly they will
Username.
be sharing it with their manager. Okay, then manager will be forwarding it to Tushar. Then immediately what does Tushar? Tushar will be able to access this. Okay, he will be opening it. And let me take it in cognito mode. Okay, now I'm Tushar. I'm logging into the system. This is my URL, infosys.service-now.com. Okay, this is the PDI where you are seeing this option. Okay, what is the user ID now? This is the user ID.
For sure.
And next, take the password. Log in it. The moment he is logged in, he will be seeing current password, and
Baba.
he should be able to take up the new password because the option we had given was this.
Password reset.
Okay, this part. This is the current password I'm giving, and that this is the old password. Sorry, new password. Let's submit it.
So this will be done only once you log in for the first time, right?
Yes, what is the first time?
Okay.
Okay. This is the first time. Whenever they are trying to be logged into the system, very first time, the user should be able to reset the password, whatever I had shared, because I checked this option. They needs to be reset the password for the first time logged user. Okay. We will be resetting his password. Okay. Now, Tushar is able to access the system. He is logging into the system. Let's log in. Okay. First time, he is able to log in into the system. Okay. Click on all and in it. Just to type incident. What option he is able to see now when he is typing the incident? When he is typing the incident, what option he is able to see?
Only self-service. What are the incidents
Only
he raised or something?
self-service. If we click on incidents, nothing he is able to see. And moreover, in our platform, I'm the people, I'm the system admin, I'm able to see every stuff incident. When I say incident, I am able to see multiple. Create new, open, all, that and all, I am able to see it. But the guy who has logged into the system only sees self-service. Only this part he is able to see. But same system, same user, okay, but he is able to only see these two options. See, go on a minute. Only these options. But as a software resolved people, software related issues, resolved people, they should be able to access the entire system or not, incident application or not. Okay. Now the requirement to, okay, set the password. Ready? Go on the mute. Okay. Now the requirement to here is we got created the user and then the guy should be able to access the system incident application, but he is unable to see. He is able to see, but he is not able to see all the incidents. Okay, but he must able to see it. Then immediately what I will do, okay, I will do something. I will go to user profile. Okay, for example, here I'm the system admin. I will go to his profile and adding some role to him. Let's open it. Somehow the instance is slow. Let's come down. And you see some options. Before you were saying you are unable to see it, these options are called related list. What are all these options? You will get to understand. But I'm going to be, as I said, it works on the role based. So I'm going to be add some role. I will go to roles under the user record and I will say edit. Click on edit. I'm the system admin now. I'm going to the record of user like this guy user and then adding some role. I'm just typing ITIL. What is ITIL? You will get understand. ITIL. I have added it. Okay. Now this guy has the ITIL role. Now you will tell. Okay. Now you will tell I have added some role and they should be able to access it. But before you were telling them, okay, before you were telling to this manager, okay, before you were telling to this manager, you need to be cross-check it, correct or not? The work, whatever you do as a ServiceNow developer or ServiceNow admin people, after doing something, you should be able to cross-check it, correct? Now I had given access to this particular user, but also it's my job whether this guy is able to access or not. I need to cross-check it. Then only I can confirm with this manager, right or wrong? I wanted to be cross-check whether this guy is having an access to the incident application or not. This guy. So as a ServiceNow admin, what I will do, I will go to instance. Okay. I will go to ServiceNow instance and then profile and impersonate user. Do you see some option called impersonate? I will go to home and I will click on system administrator profile and then impersonate user. I will just click on it. And then I will search with the user. What user we had created? What user we had created?
Tushar.
Tushar. Right. Search with Tushar and impersonate it. What is impersonate, you will get understand. See it, how it is, where it is navigating. Now the profile, when the moment I click on impersonate and selected Tushar, am I able to logging in as a Tushar or not? See here, this is Tushar, but I didn't enter his password and did it, correct? I just used one of the concept called impersonate user. Is that correct or not? See, he's his profile, same. And even though I can see the same thing, I just logged in as Tushar and checking it whether he is able to access it or not. Now he is able to see all. Seema, check it. Is able to see it. Incidents. Now I will tell. So I had given the access to Tushar and please confirm it. Over the email or somewhere you will be mentioning it. And immediately Tushar will be seeing. He will go there and you need to log out. He will be logging out and see whenever some role based on accessed, they need to log out and log in. Okay. And again, let's log in. This is the user ID. Now Tushar is logging into the system and he's checking whether he has the access or not.
So this impersonate you're doing as an admin from your system, right? Your system to you're connecting to Toshar.
Yeah. That is on this page now. As a system admin, I had added some role and then I wanted to be cross check. Okay. I wanted to be cross
Okay.
check whether he has the it is
Access
implemented
or
or
not.
not, access is implemented or not. Before I am
Uh,
confirming it to his manager, right? I need to confirm myself whether he has the accesses, respective accesses or not, whatever manager is manager requested, right?
mhm.
So one of the topic I had used, the topic name is impersonate. This topic, okay, one of the topic I had used it. That is called impersonate one, where somewhere I did mention. One of the topic I had used. This topic I had used. And then I did check out. I can be able to see whatever this guy is seeing. I will be logging into the system directly without the password. Okay. So, and Tushar got logged in and he will be checking it. Incident. Now he is able to see it. Is the Tushar. I had it opened in other window, correct? See. Fine. This is how the requirement. This is how the creating the users. This is how one of the way you are adding the role. What role I had added, what role I have added here,
ITIL.
right? IT, IL. Now, I am the admin. Admin is one of the role. ITIL is one of the role. Okay. And now, can we check it up? What is the difference in between? What is the privileges in between on the instant application ITIL and admin? Okay. So I am on my page, system administrator. I will be ending the impersonate. Ending the impersonate means as a system admin, I impersonated it and I am ending it. The moment I ended it, again I will back to my system admin profile. Now I will go to incident. Go to all, open one of the record, that is 53. I'm opening it as a system admin profile. I'm opening the 53 incident. This is the incident number. I'm opening it. Okay. Seema, this
Hello?
is the, okay. This is the system admin, correct? This is the system admin. And next, the similar way, I will be opening the same incident as a Tushar. Same incident I'm opening as a Tushar. Okay. Are you able to see the two browsers? See, left side and right side. Wait. Very good. Okay. So there are two browsers now. See. Okay. I had opened the incident as a system admin, same incident, and even though I had opened one more tab and it is with this profile, Tushar profile, one is with system admin profile, opened 5.3 incident. And what options are not there for Tushar, what options are there for me as admin role? Clearly check it,
Delete.
delete, delete, and this option, correct? Update is similar, follow is similar, discuss is different. On the same page, same incident, but role based, some customizations are done, correct? Delete, I'm able to do it as a system admin, but this fellow ITIL guy, the people who are having the role of ITIL, Tushar, is unable to delete the record. Okay, he will be able to create the record. Okay, Tushar is able to create the record now. He is able to create it and able to watch it. Okay, and also he would be able to update it. But this guy Tushar is shouldn't be able to delete it. That is role based. Okay, when we say for the incident application for ITIL people, what accesses he had created, is able to read it, is able to update it. As an
Delete.
admin, what options I had? I can be able to create, I can be able to read it, I can be able to update it and delete it. In simple way, you will be calling it as CRUD operations. But this guy is unable to, is not having all the options. So there is ITIL role where he had these options, where I had admin role, I had these options. But how are you telling, sir, this guy has admin role? You can go to the users now. Okay, just go to the users. The name is there, sir. That is why I'm calling as administrator. It's not the correct way. Okay, just go to the users. Under user administrator, go to the users and search with my name. What is my name? System administrator. Search with the name. Okay, this is the name. This is my ID. With help of admin, I would be able to log in into the system. This is my email ID. As same like Tushar had it. Okay. Next, open it. Come down. Roles. Do you see the roles tab? If you come down. Okay. Just to type admin role. So do you see the admin role also here? I had the role of admin. So I would be able to access to the entire system. But this guy has only ITIL, so he is not having all the accesses. That part is done. Everybody clear? Yes, no?
Yes, yes.
Okay, in general way, if someone asks you, these are all the views, ma. Okay, and for ITIL people, Tushar shouldn't be see all the options in the service now. Only these many applications he is able to see, these many options. But system admin will be seeing multiple options here. See, there are plenty of options. Do you see now? See, right? So ServiceNow works with role based. See, general way, this is one of the role. Information, technology, infrastructure label. This is one of the role. Admin is one of the role. But how are these people? Help desk people also will be having ITIL role sometimes. They should be able to create the the incident and update it. Okay, the same role should be having by these people who are picking up the calls. And how about these people who are belongs to IT, Infosys resources? Just Infosys resources. They are not supporting. They are not resolving any issues. They are just Infosys resources. How they looks like? They looks like, okay. The first time Tushar got logged into the system. Did you see him? First time Tushar got logged into the system, he was able to see only few options, correct? Similar way, they would be able to see those options. Okay, if I go to users and I will be removing again the ITIL. Okay, or quickly I will be creating one user, but it takes time. Okay, I will go to users and I will be removing the ITIL. Whenever nothing role, whenever the role is not having any role is not having to these people, they are called some resources, Infosys resources. They won't be able to see all the incidents. They won't be able to read it, update it. Only related to his incident, he will be able to read it. He will be seeing. See. So same Tushar, I am removing the role. Okay, for Tushar. Then he will become Infosys resource. Role, edit it, and then remove it. Okay, save it. Now Tushar should be able to create the incident. Tushar should be able to uh, delete the see all the incidents or not. What is your expectation for Tushar now?
No.
Let's refresh it now. I am on the Tushar page. I am the Tushar. For example, I am the employee of Infosys. Maybe still it is there. We need to log out and log in. Where it is? This. Let's log in. Now, incident. Do you see the incident now? When Infosys resource logged into the system, okay, logged into the system, he don't be able to see all the records of incident. He'll be seeing only self-service and he will go inside and he will create it. And he will create it. Okay. And also he will be having very, very, very limited options on the incident. That's it. He will be entering his information, what issue he is facing, and then incident will be created. See, this is how. If you go to the incidents, you won't be able to see all the incidents. Only will be seeing his related to his incidents. Fine. He can't touch anything more. He can't touch anything. He can't see anything. Delete also. And even though you don't see all the incidents which are related to other people, that is this role. This is called ESS role, employee self-service role. This is ITIL role. This is admin role. This is the basic part of roles on the service now. Fine. This is all about today's session. You can also create it from your end. Create some users and try to add some roles. This is first way of adding the role, but in the real time, you will be adding in different way. I will take it up tomorrow. Okay. So anything else, anyone? Anybody is attended some demo or somewhere? And I see one of the guy is able to answer something. Who are they? Who is that? Is there still? Okay. So this is all about today, no? And tomorrow we will have mostly last session demo for, and later you can decide whether you want it to be continue or not. That's it. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the session.
That's it from my end. And one request, buddy, for everyone, go through all the messages, whatever we are sharing on the group level. Try to see more. Maybe we are sharing the information, whatever we do. And
Okay.
moreover, okay, it will be helpful. That is why I had shared it. I asked my team to be shared. And the same things people are asking there. Please go through them. Have some time. Okay, this is for your career. It's not for mine. Even it will be business for me. That's okay. And even though it will be for you, for your career. Okay, go through it. Take some time and go through those notes and all. Okay. Hello. Thank you.
Yeah, thank
Anything
you.
else, anyone? I will be covering this important question. Anybody written there? The notes were there. What it was? I don't have the link handy. Anybody is having the link? Can share me. If I able to answer it quickly, then I will tell. Then you guys can drop off later. The sheet, whatever I had shared it, right? Is anybody it handy? And moreover, I did not tell you, right, how to create the instance and all. I will share you the document or one link, or I will tell you tomorrow. Just watch the video for today. I did not tell, right, how to create the instance, the PDI. That I will share you, or quickly I will tell you. Wait, again, you will get stopped. Okay, is my screen visible? Yes. Okay, let's quickly see the PDI creation. Okay, very quickly we will be seeing PDI creation. Later we will be seeing other stuff just to see the PDI creation. Okay, first point. Okay, you are new to the system, you are not knowing anything. Okay, you need to be create your instance, PDI, personal developer instance. Then immediately go to the browser and just search with developer.servicenow.com. Okay, developer.servicenow.com. Or this is also not this. Go to this particular thing. I'm sharing you via chat. Go to this site. Correct. And just to say, sign up and start building. This is the site. I will walk you through this site, everything, what it is having and all. This is the official site of ServiceNow. Developer.servicenow.com. Just click on sign up and then give your details. Okay, email ID I am giving it, new email ID, whichever I am not used. Veda Tech 36th. This is my email ID. 36. That is the one, right? Veda Tech batch 36. And then gmail.com. Give your things, Veda, and giving the last name, country. Okay, password I am giving. This password, whenever you are trying to be creating it, right? It's not your instance password, it is just your site password. Remember. Okay. Understand, sign up. Just perform these steps. It's kind of general things. You can do it. Okay. And next, it is asking to verify. Verify it. Okay. The email has been created. This needs the verification. So you go to your Gmail ID. Very good. Okay. Verification. Did not get any email. Whether check B36. This is the one. Yeah, I got it. This is the email ID which you will get it. Verify your ServiceNow ID. Verify via email. Then your email ID will be verified. Okay. And this is your email. And what password you had given, that password. Just log in. The moment you got logged in, right? Okay. Just to select, okay. Do you code? Yes, I am the developer. I do want it to be coded. And next, just to select the roles here. Admin and everything you can select. That's okay. Okay. These options you can follow my general things. This is how the page looks like. Next, click on start building. Request instance also will be there, but click on start building. Okay. And the moment you click on start building, it will ask you to select the versions of ServiceNow. I didn't walk you through the versions. I will walk you through. That is also much important for the experienced people. I will walk you through those. Just select the latest version. This is the latest version of ServiceNow, Yakama, and join waitlist. You are on the waitlist. Okay. After some time, if you see, you will be seeing start building will be enabled. So now it is, you are currently waitlisted for an instance. We will email you once it is ready. After some time, you can check your email. You will get some email and also come here, developer.servicenow.com, and see this will be in, this should be able to click on it. It is not allowing me start building. Later it will be allowed you. The moment you will click on it, right? It will give you some instance, whatever we had seen till now in our example. Okay. This is how you can create it, no? But over the site, I will walk you through mostly tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Fine. So anything else, anyone? Any doubts? Yes, no? So, and feel free to talk. You can ask here instead of over the WhatsApp. Also, you can ask here. Start talking it.
I said I have one question.
I please tell me.
Actually, here you given an example of the Infosys and Infosys using ServiceNow for their internal purpose, right? For example, if you join in another company, which is small scale company, and who is working for the another organization, means for the ServiceNow, Infosys is the client right now. But in what about in other scenario that bit
Infosys,
confused me.
okay. Infosys is the client for other. Come
No,
again, the
no,
point.
for the no for ServiceNow, Infosys is client, right?
Yeah. Okay.
In other way, for example, if I'm working with Infosys and I'm working for the some other organization and using the ServiceNow, in that scenario,
Then
how
it
is
will
it
be
is implemented?
it would be your organization name there. Okay. I do
Okay,
understand something like you are vendor of Infosys. You're
yeah,
working for Infosys, right?
yeah.
You're working for Infosys. Your client is Infosys, by the way.
No, I'm working for the Infosys, and suppose my client is some other organization, like Amazon,
It's okay. Then you can utilize it. If you have, okay, two parts my here. Amazon also will be having, okay,
and
if you
I'm
join, okay, if you join Amazon, for example, that is your client. There you need some issues. You are having some issues related to the Outlook on their site, on their laptop or their VDA. Then whom you ask? You do ask Amazon people. If you are having the issues related to your Infosys things, then you will be using the Infosys related. Infosys
okay,
related portal. Okay. It's purely related to the issues, ma. It's not something like rocket science. First point. This is one of the way where people are using the service now. There are multiple other modules or other stuff the service now is being used. I will introduce it once you are comfortable, everyone, mostly in next demo. I did not tell you, right, the other stuff. Only ITSM. The part, whatever we discussed, is called ITSM. Even I did not tell that is ITSM. Is that correct? I just tell till now incident.
Yeah.
You'll get seen in the fourth demo. But when you work with any organization, the organization where you are working, that portal you will be using. If it is the client of Amazon, if you are facing any issues related to Amazon, Amazon related teams or Amazon related like Outlook related issues or VPN related issues there or VDI related issues. Okay. That time we will be using Amazon related stuff because our Infosys ITIL people would be able to resolve only our issues inside this Infosys, correct? Why do they look into the Amazon if even if work for Amazon? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maybe that is the answer if that is a question. Okay. If I understand properly.
So could you please share the syllabus PDF in the chat, WhatsApp chat?
Syllabus actually I don't share it, ma. You can take the screenshots. I am sharing the screen.
Okay.
This is the syllabus, ma.
And sir, what about the projects that we are going to conduct in our
Projects, it
class?
depends on, okay, if maybe you did miss out the first demo, we'll building our own project and we'll take up some request, some proposals in our own, and later we will be developing our own applications also, own projects. Like ITSM, like incident you are seeing the application create new, all right. Similar way, we will be implementing our own application also. For that also,
Okay.
we can be doing it. So you can take the screenshots now. This is the first page. And I'm coming down. This is the second one. The topics that we are covering are this. Okay.
Yes,
And
scroll down.
yeah, this is the chapter divided into different chapters. And this is the chapter 2.
Yes.
And come down.
Scroll down.
This is the last one.
Okay. Fine.
Fine.
Yeah, fine.
You can share it in the group if you can.
Yeah, sure.